When it comes to things like sweet or salty, most people pick sides. And I usually tend to be one of those people that are more drawn to salty foods rather than sweets. But every once in a while, I get a hankering for something sweet. And so today I'm making Galatopita, which is a crustless milk pie made with semolina or durum wheat flour. So come on with me and let's do this. So I'm just going to begin with a fairly large pot or saucepan, and I'm going to add 1 liter of milk, or gala in Greek. So 1 liter of milk, which is exactly, this is, I'm using 2% milk. So we just pour that in. Okay, and to our milk, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar, zachary in Greek. 1/3 cup of semolina or durum wheat flour. We're just going to give it this nice yellow color. We're going to add 1/3 cup of cornstarch, which is going to really help to thicken this up. Next, we're going to add 3 eggs. Ένα, 2, 3 αυγά. A little bit of salt. 1 tablespoon of vanilla, and some zest of orange, portocali. Now we're going to give this a good mix. Now that our batter is well mixed, we're going to transfer it to the stove. And just on about medium heat, we're going to thicken it up. So just keep it on and keep stirring it. So while that's cooking, I've taken a pie plate and I've just sprayed it with some butter. I'm going to take some of the semolina flour and we're just going to coat the inside all around of our pie plate. Let's just get that nice, get that semolina flour all the way around. It'll stick nicely to the butter. And then just discard any that doesn't stick. So there we go. So we have that ready. So because this is milk, we want to keep stirring it until it thickens up. This is the most laborious part of this whole process, and that's just keep stirring this so it doesn't burn or stick to the bottom of the pot. Get your favorite wooden spoon and just get in there and keep stirring. It will thicken up. Okay, I've been at this for about 15 minutes on medium high heat, and it's really starting to thicken up now. So this is critical. Oh, that's good. So we just want to make sure we get it nice and thick. Once it starts to thicken, it happens really, really fast. So there we go. We'll take it off the heat now so we can see how that's really kind of thickened up like a porridge. And then to this, we're going to add 1/4 cup of butter that I've just cubed up. So we'll just mix that in. Okay, now we come back to our pie plate that we have sprayed with butter, sprinkling some semolina flour on it. And we're now going to pour in our batter and just try to get it as smooth as you can on top. Okay, we've got our filling in our pie plate. And so now I've just taken 1 egg, some sugar, and some butter, and we're just gonna brush the top with this. So this is gonna give it kind of a nice glaze. So just brush over the top of it. Okay, and now this is going to go into the stove 325 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes. So just keep an eye on it. Okay, I've just finished having lunch. I had some leftover Galatopita that I made yesterday with a beautiful Greek salad. And now it's time for dessert. So let's cut this Galatopita up and have a slice.
Και μετρώ τα μαύρα